Now, after learning how to combat heart attack and anaphylaxis, let's proceed to the next crucial emergency, that is stroke. What is an ischemic stroke? There are two types of stroke, and stroke, we should all know, it's a crucial emergency. We have ischemic stroke, and the other stroke is hemorrhagic stroke. So what is ischemic stroke? It happens when a blood clot blocks blood flow to a part of the brain, cutting off oxygen and the essential nutrients. Brain cells start dying within minutes, leading to the permanent damage or death if not treated urgently. And the next is the hemorrhagic stroke. It means when a blood vessel in the brain leaks or bursts and causes bleeding in the brain. What is the golden time window? This is very important and very crucial. Thrombolysis, a clot-busting injection using TPA. TPA is tissue plasminogen activator. It's effective only if we give it within 4.5 hours of the symptom onset. The best is if in case we give it from the 45 to 60 minutes, that is within an hour, but it can be the window, extended window is 4.5 hours of symptom onset. Every minute matters. Beyond 4.5 hours, damage is often irreversible and the risk of complications definitely increases. Thrombolysis specifically, we are using alteplase for that to restore blood flow to the brain. The guidelines recommend administering alteplase within 4.5 hours of stroke symptom onset. The earlier the administration, the better is the outcome. And the eligibility criteria should be definitely met with. That means the diagnosis of ischemic stroke should be confirmed, the neurological deficit should be measurable, and the absence of contraindications. What are the exclusion criteria? What are the contraindications? There should be no history of prior stroke or any head trauma within the past 3 months, no intracranial hemorrhage, no active bleeding, uncontrolled hypertension should not be there. Systolic should be less than 185 and diastolic should be less than 110. Platelet count is less than 1 lakh per cubic millimeter, and CT scan is a must to rule out hemorrhage, because if in case it's a hemorrhagic stroke, thrombolysis won't be there. We won't give it. Standard agent is alteplase IV. The dosage is, typical dose is 0.9 milligram per kg up to a maximum of 90 milligrams, with 10% given as bolus and the remainder infused over 60 minutes, that is 1 hour. The door to needle time is 45 to 60 minutes, that means within an hour. And the best results are seen during this time only. Every minute of delay is 1.9 million neurons lost. Every hour without treatment, brain ages 3.5 साल पीछे हो जाते हैं हम लोग, बड़े हो जाते हैं. In fact, brain ages. Just 15 minutes of delay reduces the chance of walking independently after recovery by 4%. What is the role of a medical fraternity? We have to recognize the signs early with FAST. This is the FAST formula or the FAST acronym. What is F? Face drooping. Ask the person to smile. If the person is not able to smile properly, or angle droops, then arm weakness. Try and tell them, lift both the arms. If in case not able to lift both the arms, then you have to be vigilant, you have to be alert. Speech difficulty. Ask to repeat a sentence. If he or she is not able to do so, they're slurring of speech, you have to be alert. And that is the time when you call the emergency. In US you call 911, but here you have to be alert yourself. Have a stroke code system. CT scan within 15 to 20 minutes. An emergency physician and a neurologist has to be alert. Rapid TPA decision, that is a plasminogen activator, which is a alteplase, and the administration. What public must know? Don't wait and watch. Stroke, don't take it lightly. It's not a minor issue. Call the emergency services immediately. Know your local stroke and ready hospitals. Don't waste time in deciding. What I feel is, it is better if in case you have diagnosed, don't wait for the ambulance to come. If you have the tertiary care, well-equipped hospital in the vicinity, straight away take the patient there. And the one-line takeaway is, stroke steals your life minute by minute. Act fast, treat faster. Thank you so much. I'll just, if in case ma'am permits, I'll just say, how can we what are the preventive steps? Preventive steps are just lifestyle modification, like cessation of smoking, cessation of drinking, keeping your heart healthy, eat heart-healthy foods, exercise regularly, and definitely we have to take the care so that we can prevent and take care, so that and we have to be careful of the risk factors also. Risk factors are what? Family history of stroke, family history of hypertension. then atrial fibrillation. All these things have to be taken care of, and we have to be vigilant for that.